What's up guys? Now thank you guys for watching, and if anyone commented or DM me, thank you guys. So my last video I showed you guys that I went and tinned my car, and today I'll be bringing my dad's car. That's right, I'm bringing my dad's car to get it tinted. This car that my dad bought was in a pretty good condition, but there are a lot of things that we'll need to fix for the interior. So I'm gonna help him, and he actually doesn't know it yet. I'm gonna also help him to wrap his car. I'm actually excited to see what color he'll be picking, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So let's not waste any more time, and let's get to G-Zox in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Right here. With my dad's car, the E46 330 Ci. You gotta do it manually. Actually, the door actuator is broken. Now check out that door though. The whole handle has broken apart, and we're gonna redo this whole entire interior to make it look unison in color. Because my dad is OCD like that. So there are a few things that has broken apart, especially the grill here, the lights. I have to refurbish or probably get new ones for my dad. On this side, same thing. It has sort of like faded a little bit. The signal light is still fine. The grill over here, we gotta fix it. We gotta fix all this body part. One thing to notice is to check out is, of course, the rubber, as you can see right here. This has torn apart, but thank God this car is not too old as compared to my E36, so I think we'll be able to find all these rubbers. We'll have to change the rear lights as well because it has water vapor inside, so it's not good. So, what are we gonna tint today? Is it the same color as what I did onto my M3?
Oh, you want to do the same?
I think my dad wouldn't want something that's illegal, that's for sure. My dad is checking on his car, and remember last week when I showed you guys my E46 M3 converted? Well, that one was actually the second coupe that I got. Now the first coupe that I got this year was this one. So this is my E36 325 Coupe. I got it on the first day of lockdown. I confirmed the deal like 2 weeks before locking down. So I had to take the car. There was no way I could back out from it. So I'm actually going to get my dad to select the color that he wants, or the ones that he liked. So this is the lady boss. Hi Elaine.
Hello.
When you guys want to wrap your car, there are like 1,000 colors to go through. Look at all these colors. You can do whatever you want, anytime you want. My goodness, so many colors. Alright, Dad, Christmas present, wow. So I'm not gonna let you guys know what color we're gonna wrap first. So we've been here for at least an hour just going through colors, and my dad has selected his color. So yeah, this car is gonna look different once it's out. So there's gonna be a promo for this Christmas, so be sure to come and surprise one of your loved ones, your friends, or whatever birthday present. Wrap their car. You can even print or even wrap their name if you want to on the whole car. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that to my dad's car. He's gonna chop my head off if I wrap with my name there or something. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of the car. So stay tuned for it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. M-Town. Wait, no, that's Malaysia. Okay, never mind. Bye-bye.